Rarely do I get excited, but today, it's really something special. I have something from DJI, the Osmo Pocket 3. And this device has been selling like hotcakes, and I'm really excited to try out what's the fuzz all about from this device. We'll start off with a quick unboxing, and I'll show you everything that's inside the box and give you my first impression with this device. Let's start. So I have here is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo Edition. So this is a package that's made for creators just like you and me. But of course, there's a standalone package that you can buy as well. It's a little cheaper, of course. I brought along this one from Team Group. This is a Pro Plus micro SD card, which is a UHS 1. It has a write speed of 110 Mbps and read speed of 160 Mbps. And this one supports 4K. Definitely, there's not a problem when you're using with the Osmo Pocket 3. Before shooting, you just need to put your micro SD card here on the side and push it in. You're good. You're good to go. Now, turning on this device is very easy. All you need to do is just flip it and it's turned on. We have here is the power button and the record button. The best thing about the Osmo Pocket 3 is that whenever you want to switch from portrait to landscape, just a flip and continue. And right now you're shooting on portrait mode. Whenever you want to shoot on landscape, it's just as simple as that. Now, probably this is the best selling point for the Osmo Pocket 3. So I have here is the power button / record button. So you have your joystick here to let you navigate up, down, and left, right. So we did some initial tests and took this out for a spin. How about let me show you some quick clips from the Pocket 3. So guys, right now I'm here in Binondo, Manila and vlogging using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is the resolution I'm taking at 4K and 60 FPS. I can say that this is very stable, and no matter if you're taking for portrait or landscape, it's very easy to shift. And I can say that it's pretty easy and pretty stable at 4K recording. And what's even nice is that you can even use it for live streaming or other recording formats. I think this is a perfect device for any content creator out there. Night mode from the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now, what can you say? The videos are very stable. I love the way it is. So guys, if you want to know more about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, do of course subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified once I upload my full review of this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you want to know where you can buy this, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. And by the way, I got this from JG Superstore. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye! And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.